All right, so we have a 1 yard circumference embroidery floss skein. This is only about 5 yards, though, it said, so it might actually be a little smaller. It's a tricky twisting situation all the way around because it's both small and it's cotton, so it doesn't have a lot of give to it. So the last little bit of sticking the tail through the loop to kind of fix the twist and hold the skein in place, that's the hardest part. And honestly, I don't know what you're doing right now. This skein was actually twisted and it had 2 bands around it, and one was at the very end, like the 2 ends were actually not pushed through each other. This was at the very end, just holding those 2 ends together and like keeping the twist in place. And then there was another one that was like closer to the top of the skein. So if you're packaging it similar to that, I think that there's no problem. The issue is that you need to keep enough at this end in order to have your fingers in here and have a big enough loop to hold it through. This end twists super tightly. It's this end that is a little bit looser. So I'll show you here. I have it in press and hold mode, so I'm twisting for about 9 seconds. And letting it go back on itself there. Probably could have twisted this one for a little bit longer. So yeah, like this end is quite twisted, but it's the loop end through that I'm having a hard time getting tight enough while still allowing there to be enough space to actually like fish that tail through. You might have better techniques than I do. I think you could get it a little bit tighter than this. But yeah, I don't know that having a smaller hook size here is gonna help because the looseness here is sort of determined by my finger and being able to fish the skein through.